In this video, I want to show you one thing that can greatly help you increase your energy of intention and manifestation ability. What's up guys, this is Sunny from personalmasteryquest.com, and today I want to talk about one thing that many people often ignore while working towards their desires and manifesting whatever they want into their experience. And this thing that they ignore, they think of it as, not as significant as it actually is, and it greatly gets in the way of them actually getting what they want in life. So what am I talking about? What is the thing that can help you increase your intention levels and your manifestation power? I am talking about increasing the flow of energy within your body and working on it to keep it strong and energized at all times. So to really understand why this is important, you have to start thinking of your body as an extension of your soul. I use this trick where I actually just imagined me as this little flame, which is the soul, and I picture myself within my body, but I don't picture my body as being me. I don't identify with it. I imagine myself as this little awareness, this little flame that is controlling my body to go about, doing things in this physical experience. You have to understand that you are in the physical plane, but you are not of it. You are a soul, a feeling, a vibration that is simply in this physical experience, and you are navigating this physical experience and doing the things that your heart desires through your body. You as a soul have unlimited power. So when you detach from your body like this, you have control over it. You have power over it. So if this body is an extension of your soul and what you do in this physical life can be only done through your body, doesn't it make sense to look after it and spend some time taking care of it every single day? Because if your body doesn't feel good, your energy of intention will just not be strong enough to manifest anything, and you will have a very lackluster physical experience. Your entire energy and focus will always be towards maintaining or focusing on the pain, the stiffness, and the lack of energy in your body. If you're just spending all your energy hauling this heavy thing around and focusing always on the irritation and the pain and just expending all your energy satisfying its cravings, your intention will just keep being cut down into this little thing that will have no power to manifest anything that you want into your life experience. But once you detach from the body, once you stop identifying with it and start identifying with the soul, you finally gain control and influence over it. You now become an observer of the body and can now begin to work on it and influence whatever change you like. The point of physical exercise is to keep the flow of energy within your body moving. If you aren't exercising often, it most likely means that your energy is not flowing properly. So there are two types of energy. One is physiological and one is free energy. The physiological energy is what we gain through food, and free energy is the infinite energy of the universe. I'll get more into those two types of energies and how to increase them in another video, but what I want to say is that if there's not a proper flow of free energy throughout your body, then there will be blockages, there will be stagnation and pain. And all these things will take away from your energy of intention to manifest, to actually do the things that you want to do. Matter of fact, pain only manifests when there is stagnation and a blockage of the flow. So think of it like a flowing river. If the water in the river is flowing, it is always clean, clear, and vitalized. If the water is still, mold will start to appear. Same thing with your body. If there's a lack of energy flowing through your body, problems will start happening. Pain will start happening. So how do you revitalize the flow of energy in the body? You start moving. Start to use more energy every single day, and as a result, you will be granted more energy. Energy is only gifted to those who use it, who make appropriate use of it. The ones who don't make proper use of their energy actually decays over time, and that's what we call, the deterioration of the physical body. If you are constantly keeping this flow going, you are likely to age at a lesser rate and are much more likely to be healthy when you are older. And as you are more energized throughout your day, not only will you have more intention, energy, and manifestation power, but you will also just feel better for longer periods of time. So when you're able to be in that state of feeling good every single day and knowing that you have the power, you will just have more manifestation ability. It's just the way it is. Feeling good is essential to, creating any positive change in your life. If you are in a place of, sluggishness, decay, lack of energy, there's very little room for change. See, your heart desires to experience a million things in this world. For the heart, life is a very unique opportunity. But the thing that is greatly holding a lot of people back is their lack of energy and their unhealthy bodies. So if it is true that your intention levels and your manifestation power can be decreased by your body, which is not healthy, does it make sense to have something, that you're hauling around that is heavy, irritating, always in pain, and just sluggish? Of course not. And in no way am I saying that you have to become super fit or become an athlete. All I'm saying is to pick up a simple exercise discipline every single day that you do that keeps the flow of energy moving in your body. And as that flow is increased, you will notice a difference instantly in how you are just living your life. So what I advise to you is to start identifying with the soul, detach from the body, treat your body as like a mechanism that you have to maintain, and you have to treat it properly so that it can also give you a proper experience in this life. Eat lighter foods, pick up a exercise discipline that you do every single day just to keep the flow going, and maintain your levels of energy, high energy, so you can manifest at a faster pace and live a happier, better life overall. So with that said, comment down below and let me know how you are planning to increase the energy levels of your body, and which exercise discipline will you pick up, and what changes will you make in your daily routine to start treating your body better than you were doing before. I wish you good luck. That is all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and share it with a friend. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one, you can get coached by me. The link for that is in the description box below. Other than that, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.